What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Husqvarna trimmer, and the problem is that we just got this thing and we need to diagnose its overall condition. Hopefully we can get it to run. I'm not a huge fan of curved shaft trimmers, but this thing will take different attachments. This is why I even considered picking this thing up. The engine is a really good design. The recoil is attached to the back of the engine instead of the front of it. One of the best benefits of having the recoil on the back of the engine is that you can easily service the recoil if the rope should break. This trimmer came to us with gas in it, so let's go ahead and pour it out and take a good look at it. Well, the gas looks fine, but the same can't be said for the fuel line inside the tank. The fuel line is very brittle, broken, and the fuel filter has come off of the line itself. If this engine were to run without a fuel filter, that means that the carburetor has a good chance of having contaminants inside of it. This means there's an option to replace the carburetor completely if we can't clean it well enough to run. The reason behind a brittle fuel line is usually the use of ethanol gas and leaving the gas inside the tank for long periods of time. Let's go ahead and put some gas in the throat of the carburetor and see if the engine runs for a little bit. Well, it does run, which is the good news, but unfortunately we have to replace the fuel lines and go through the carb completely. This, of course, is the diagnostic video for this Husqvarna trimmer. In a future video, we'll go ahead and try to get it running. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any comments or questions about your small engines, please leave them in the comments below. And please consider subscribing, as it really supports this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.